Now that you've created a label, let's apply them. There are two methods to applying a label. One is via Google Drive, where you can apply a label to multiple files. For example, access a folder, select multiple files, right-click, select labels. You can select from the suggested labels or click apply a label. It'll allow you to search for a label, select the label. If the label has a field, complete the requirements. It will confirm to apply the label to the number of items you've selected. Now, if you right-click on that document or click their menus, you would be able to see the label that is applied by clicking View Labels. And it would provide you with the details of all the labels that have been applied.